Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can redeem your Target gift card. So for those people who do not know Target, Target is America's biggest retail online store and offline store as well. You can also visit their official store if it is like near your location. Or if you're, wanting to shop online, you can also shop online in Target. It's both available online, offline. But like Target is only available in USA and Canada. So if you're outside this country, then Target is not going to work. Right. So let me show you guys how we guys can redeem the gift card of Target so you guys can use it online. Alright, so you can use it offline as well. But offline, you can go to a store and when the time of checking out, you can give your gift card and the staff over there is going to use it alright. But if you want to use it online, there's some steps you need to follow, and I'm going to be showing it that step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech World. Let's move on. First step, you just want to search for Target resource for Target. You want to click on Target, expect more, pay less, click on it. It's going to take you to the official website of Target. Once you're over here, in order to redeem it, you need to log in into your account. But I've already logged in into my account. That's why it's showing me my username. If you guys have not logged in into your account, is going to show you Euro sign in over here. So make sure to sign in. I've already done that. So I'm just going to click on my username over here. Once I do that, it's going to show me gift cards over here. So what you want to do is click on gift cards. It's going to take you to the page where you guys can redeem your gift card. Over here, what you want to do is save a new gift card, and over here you need to enter your card number and your access number. So enter a 15-digit card number over here and your access number, and all of this number is going to be found on your Target gift card. As you guys can see over here, here's like a little demo of Target gift card, and at the bottom is going to show you both the card number and access number. The 16-digit number is the card number, and one with less than 16-digit is going to be your access number. It can both have it over here. Click and add, and if a Target gift card is not expired, it will be added on your Target, and once you add it over here, when you're trying to check out, you can use the gift card as a payment option as well. Alright, so hope you guys understand, and how you guys can redeem Target gift card. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.